What's going on, Tile? I just want to let you know that I found somebody else. And don't get mad. Don't get too mad, all right? I think things happen for a reason. It's not me, it's you. You are time consuming, you're not cost efficient. You do look good when you're laid down, but there's something else that don't waste my time too much. And it's easy to lay down. You know, I don't have to go back and forth with it. I don't have to curse it out. So I think it's time to go, and y'all gonna see why. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I'm gonna sit down and talk to y'all. I do wanna be a little informative on this video. This video is about the luxury vinyl floor planks that I laid down. This is my first time laying down vinyl floor planks. I laid it down with my father-in-law, and we got a good experience from it. So before we bought these planks, and I wish I would have known about vinyl floor planks before I tiled my bathroom in my house. So let's get down to the bottom of this. Vinyl floor planks are not like the regular vinyl from back in the day when you stick it down. They still have that vinyl where it's peel and you stick it. No, we're not doing none of that. Now, the vinyl floor planks come in different variety of sizes. You have very skinny, cheap sizes like this. I broke this just now by accident, but this is like 1 mil thick. This is cheap. This is like, I don't know why would you put something like this down. Okay. Now, in Lowe's, they have a sale on this vinyl, this luxury vinyl that's called ProCore Surface. So if you go to Lowe's, you might see this. This one is dovetail oak. I will show y'all the specs, the item number, so just in case y'all want to check it up for yourselves. I bought this in January for $2.50 a square foot. And right now, as we speak, as I drop this video today, I think it's February 10th or something like that. These are at $3 a square foot. So if you're getting 1,000 square foot, you are paying an extra $500 of whatever you're doing. So if you paying 1,000 square foot for $250, which I paid was $2,500. If you paying $3, it's going to be $3,000. So that's an extra $500. 50 cents is very significant when it comes to flooring. Yes. Now this one is a 5.5 mil thickness. The wear layer is a 12 mil wear layer. So what is wear layer? Wear layer is the actual coating on the vinyl floor plank that gives the plank its durability. So when I was doing research, I do research before I get this stuff. I did a whole bunch of research. So you have stuff that's 6 mil and it goes up to 20 mil and higher. So they saying for stuff like commercials and stuff like that, you want to get a good wear layer because it's going to be a lot of trafficking. If you are not going to have too much trafficking, then you can get the one with the least wear layer. But I got the one that's midway because you never know, you know, the roughness of what you're going to do to your floor when you lay it down. Maybe sometime in the future you might get dogs, or in the future you might do a lot of activities in the basement or your living room, wherever you at. All right, so we should be good with wear layer. Now, the thickness. So the plank is 5 mils as far as thickness. One thing to consider is the foam on the back. They have some vinyls where they don't have the foam. They sell the foam separate, the padding. Me, I'd rather just have it all together at one. It makes life easier instead of just laying down the padding, then coming back to lay down the flooring. That's just me. You might do something different. I got 5 mils thick because this is on carpet. It's a hard surface. I was reading some forums and I was reading some blogs. I was looking at videos, doing research. At first, I was going to get the thickest one I could find. So the thickest one I saw was 10 mils thick. So the actual vinyl was 8 mils and the padding was 2 mils thick padding. But somebody said you may not need that unless you installing it like on your subfloor, like the plywood subfloor, that type of surface, because you want something real thick. So, you know, blase with the plywood and all that stuff. When I do my upstairs, I am definitely doing vinyl floor planks. Hardwood, engineered wood, for me, overrated. I'm done with it. Done. It's more work to put in hardwood than it is to just lay these down. All right, this is just click, go, click, go, click, go. You cut one side, you put one on the other side, put one on the other side, and keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. So that's it with that one. Trying to see what else. If y'all need to know anything else, let me know. All right, I did a lot of research before I start doing this. Now, they have vinyl floor tiles, and I might be putting that in my kitchen. Those are $4 a square foot. So I will be searching other floor stores to see if I can find it cheaper, because $4 a square foot is a lot of money. I am not going to lie to y'all, but $2.50. All I needed was 1,000 square foot. My basement is 1,500 square foot, but some of that square foot is being utilized by storage, by the bathroom, the sub pump, and another storage. So I got square footage that can't be used as far as living space. So I got 1,000 square foot of living space. When you do your research, just keep looking around. Or another thing that might hold you back is your color preference. This one is a rustic style. Multicolor, that's how it came in the box. That's the way it is. There was no real pattern to this. It's not like it's a solid color. They came different colors, and one box had they have 3 styles like this. One is gray and one is brown. Those are solid colors. There's no mix match or nothing going on. Take in consideration, you might say, oh, I want to get the cheap one, but it might not be the color you want. Or the color you want might be something expensive. So that one you have to take in consideration. But now, as far as the solidness, I mean, it feels good. It's my first time laying down a floating floor. It's my first time actually walking on a floating floor. It feels kind of weird, but at the same time, it feels good. And that's about it. I just wanted to touch bases with y'all on the vinyl floor planks. And I think this is the future for me. So I will be installing this on my next couple of renovations on my hall bathroom and basically my whole first floor level. The whole first floor, I want these. I ain't worried about hardwood no more. Hardwood is gone. Goodbye. Tile, goodbye tile. Good riddance. Tile is like a headache. It is. Laying tile is a headache. Even though tile is nice, but for the shower, yes. But for the floor, I'll get the vinyl floor tile planks, just like this. Snap it in. It looks like tile. Keep it moving. That's my review of the Lowe's luxury vinyl floor planks ProCore surface. Please, if you like that little review I did on the vinyl floor planks, leave a like. And if you have any questions about vinyl floor planks, drop down in the comments below. If you need to know anything of laying it down or what to do or blase. I'll try to do a little cutting video too real quick just to show y'all me cutting it. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button because I have some more content coming for y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.